look. Can I see the back?
Turn
Turn
around.
around. Turn around. Look here.
Go back
Here.
now. Look at your mommy.
Say hi.
Hi.
Good afternoon. It's 12:15. Yan. So, tanghali na kami kumilos. Kasi wala naman kaming any strict activities today. And we're going to Chinatown and Orchard para mag-check ng items for the pasabay. Nasa kabilang bag. Ay, gago, naiwan yung bag ko.
Girl, napay-pay ka talaga.
O, diba? Hindi pa nakakaalis ng Sengkang. Haggard na. Dahil ang galing ng person, nakalimutan niya ang kanyang bag. So, I'm using the Lululemon fanny pack. So, nandito yung phone ko, yung wallet, yung card, and then yung mga easy access that I need. And then, yung dito naman, I'm using this Sunny Studio Tote. Nandito yung iba, like the passports and mga anik-anik, ganun. So, I'm heading back sa kanila. Hinintay daw nila ako sa labas ng station. So, ayun. So, quick story time habang naglalakad ako. So, I've been coming here sa Singapore. I think the first time was in 2013 na. That was the year nung graduate ako. And then, the next was 2016 with my friends. And then, from 2016, ayun, halos annual na. 2017, first time ni Don to come with me here in Singapore. And from there, halos annual na kami nandito. Usually, for my birthday. Ewan ko, parang lagi ko lang gusto pumunta dito. And we always stay here sa Sengkang with with Don's uncle. Tapos, kahapon was the first time namin nakapunta sa Dempsey area. Para siyang, ang dami ko pa rin hindi napupuntaan dito. So funny. So ngayon, we're going to Chinatown. And then, Orchard. Yan. Ayun, as I was saying, we're gonna check out some stuff na pinapacheck for my pasabay business. So ayun, follow Curated Travel Cart PH. So, we're already here sa Chinatown. Tapos na kami kumain sa Hawker Chan. Kasama namin yung old friend namin ni Don, si Ate Liv. And then, pupunta kami sa With Love. Ang dami niyang kainan here sa Kyong-sik Road kami naglalakad. So, ang daming kainan. Ang daming Michelin star restaurants. So, we're here now at Orchard and I already took photos tapos pinost ko na sa stories ko yung bags and the accessories from With Love na pwedeng ipasabay sa Curated Travel. Tapos ngayon, Orchard kami. Kasi may mga items din kaming i-check for pasabays and personal, ganyan. So, ngayon, nandito kami sa Chagi. Isa daw to sa mga sikat na tea places here. So, we're just trying it out kasi nung pagdadaman wala namang tao. And ayun yung kasama namin si Ate Liz. Ayan, na-coming na siya. Opa. May paambon siyang chat. From Dio. Sorry.
Dior. Si Kuya parang hindi masaya na hindi masaya.
Day 3, our full day 3 here in Singapore now. And ngayon, it's our Sentosa day kasi we have two partnerships. One with Skyline Lodge and then with Harry Potter Visions of Magic the Night. Tapos ngayon, nandito na kami sa Vivo City. And eto, dito lang kami lagi sa Miniso. Looking at the characters, mga things, ganyan. Kasi si Hailey naghahanap siya ng toys. Hindi naman kami bibili, pero Gusto lang niya makahawak ulit ng toys para lang pang-aliw, ganyan. And then we're gonna eat and then go to Sentosa na. Do you want that one?
Spicy.
What do you want? What? Did you find the toy na? What's that? Can I see? Oh my gosh. What? No, baby, this is clay. Not yet for you. This is not the time for clay. You can get toy. Stuffed toy. You want the squishy?
This one.
No.
Please.
How about that? A surprise toy. Here, you pick here in the balls or here. Can I see that? What's this one? Little animal coffee. That one?
Yeah.
Okay, so ang napili niya ay ito. I was trying to convince her to get another toy, but ito yung gusto niya. Okay. Egg. This is not egg, baby. Okay, here. What's this? Oh, open it. Is there plastic? No, you please. Oh, there's still plastic. Sorry. Okay, here you go. Wow! Can you open it? It's hard. What's that? Oh, you got the... Ano yan? Hindi ko rin alam niya. Asan ang baboy? Keychain yan? Hindi, laruan lang. Ay, oo. Keychain. You got the blue one. Oh, that's the name.
Open it!
Oh, open it. Animal coffee.
Babe, buksan mo. Animal Crossing?
Hindi. You have your keychain. You can put here on your clothes. We're already here sa Sentosa Imbia Station and Hailey's sleeping, so di ko alam. Papasok tayo sa list. Malabo na yung mata ko, wala pa ako lalo nakita. Ayan, Hailey's sleeping, so hindi ko alam paano kami anong gagawin na nga natin? Magluluge. Okay, so ayun na yung nakita ba? Yan na sa labas. 1 o'clock yung appointment namin, pero sleeping si Hailey. So, nag-coffee muna kami dito sa Zeus. And then, nung pagpasok namin, bigla siyang gumising. Pagising niya, wala, naka-order na kami. So, we opted magpahinga muna and magpalamig kasi sobrang init. And then, ayan. Pagising niya, naghahanap siya ng cupcake. Eh, walang cupcake dito. So, pinapili ko siya sa mirror. Ay, dun sa glass, sabi niya. Sabi ko, there's no cupcake. Tapos, ang reply niya, oh, I want to try this one. So, ang tinuro niya ay yung red velvet cupcake, muffin. Tapos, yung dalawa namin itlog na. Yung hotdog sa freezer. Yung mga hotdog namin sa freezer. Nakataas na. Hailey trying cupcake. Muffin, sorry.
Sakto eh, malamig dyan eh.
Yum, yum. Toy daw yun.
Toy, hindi coffee. Borrow.
Ayun na yung mantika, nakakatulog na.
Ang lamig eh. Pake mo. Mentality. Ahihihihi do that. Ahihihi.
Look at your daddy.
Ahihihihi do that.
Hindi pa siya nakakita ng...
Na.
Ano siya sabi ko?
Pero hindi siya nakakita.
Para ko na nag-iinip, gag. Mentality ulit. Ano sinabi mo?
Nakakita ka naman ng rainbow. Nakakita ka naman ng rainbow. Ha?
Takin ang ingay ang gago.
Nakakita ka naman ng rainbow.
Anong kulay ng rainbow sa'yo?
Bakit?
Pag hawakan mo na yung magkabilang dulo, babait na ako sa'yo.
Hindi mo naman pwede nakita yun eh.
Kawawa ka naman. Dalawa nag-hikap.
Ito kasi Ryan ba?
Jesus. Jesus.
Put your hands
Where are you going? Okay. So we've already redeemed our e-tickets and we have a child doubling ticket for Hailey dahil saktong 85 centimeters siya. Pwede na siya sumakay pero with a parent or with an adult. So talagang may sukatan sila. And we're gonna ride the tram now. We're riding now.
Hands on the handlebar.
Just sit down, okay?
Hands on the handlebar. Hands on.
So, tapos na kami sa first. Medyo chill. Boom! How do you do it? Show mommy.
Really like that.
And now we're gonna ride Sky Ride to go back up.
Bago talaga yung
Yung sabi lang ni Hailey na sandal sa kanya, no? Ganun lang siya. So ngayon, with me naman. Hailey staying with me and then meron tayong camera. Tayo doon na lumabas. So, second ride. Let's see kung anong track ang aming pipiliin. O, diba? Ayun, tinusta lang naman kami sa Sky Ride. Ito na yung bata. Come here. Come with mommy. My baby's with me.
Once you're ready, show me how to pray, please. Thank you.
Hold mommy, okay?
Okay, go. Thank you. So,
Okay, let's go. Where's your daddy? Go ahead. Yeah, there's Tata. Iwan na kami. Woo! Daddy will catch up with us, okay? Lily! Jungle! Jungle! Ah! Say woo! Haley, go woo!
I'm going down there.
Yeah, we're going to the jungle! Woohoo! Catch up with Tata. Jungle! Woo! Wala si Don! Ooh, we're in the jungle. Daddy's gonna catch up with us. Tata so fast. Oh, say wee! Yahoo! We'll go to the jungle. Smile, Haley. Smile. Did you smile? Ooh. Smile. Yes, good jungle. Wee! Where's your daddy? Your daddy's missing.
My daddy.
Yes, daddy did not catch up with us. No, daddy. Oh, we're finished. Saan ka pumunta? Anong inanuan mo, babe?
Ha?
Anong truck mo?
Hindi. Hindi kasi
Bakit ang tagal mo?
hindi ako nakasakay na.
Hinihintay ka namin kasi hindi ka pa nakasakay. One more? Okay.
Yes.
What's that truck?
No. My duck.
Yeah.
Ka-ching like Tata and Daddy. Parang isdang bagong huli.
What, baby? Let's go, let's go. Come on.
More, right? Yeah, let's go.
Ano nangyari? What happened, Hailey?
Ate no get Haley daw.
Nung dun sa ride kasi, kinuha si Hailey para assist lang, ganyan. Ayaw niya, nainis siya. Sabi niya, ate, don't get Hailey.
Huh?
Going down there.
That's the jungle.
So
Hi, monkey!
Huh?
Say hi, monkey!
may unggoy ba dyan?
Hailey, Hailey, look at here.